Diving in deep to the world of crypto. You're listening to Vorpin AI.
Okay, are you ready to dive into the wild world of crypto this week? Buckle up, we've got meme coins, whales making waves, and even a potential trillion-dollar space connection.
Sounds exciting.
Yeah, this deep dive is all about understanding the major cryptocurrency market movements over the past week. And our guide is the weekly Roundup report.
Cool.
Now, we're not just going to give you a news update. We're going to uncover surprising trends, potential investment opportunities, and what this all means for the future of cryptocurrency.
Let's get into it.
All right, so let's jump right into the meme coin mania that's been sweeping the market.
Oh, yeah.
Dogecoin and Shiba Inu are back in the spotlight,
Interesting.
generating a lot of buzz, especially Dogecoin, which has been mirroring Bitcoin's movements with an impressive 0.92 correlation.
Wow, 0.92. That's a very strong correlation.
Yeah, so what does that tell us?
Well, it suggests that Dogecoin's price is highly influenced by Bitcoin's trends.
So if Bitcoin goes up,
Dogecoin is likely to follow suit.
and if Bitcoin goes down,
Dogecoin could take a hit as well.
it's like they're tied at the hip.
In a way, yes.
So if you believe Bitcoin is headed for another bull run,
Dogecoin might be worth watching. It's a double-edged sword. Any dip in Bitcoin's value could drag Dogecoin down with it.
got it. So it's a risky bet.
As with any cryptocurrency investment,
Now, speaking of big moves, Shiba Inu saw a massive 21 trillion tokens transacted in a single day.
21 trillion.
Yeah, that's an eye-popping number.
It is. That's a huge amount of activity.
So what's driving this frenzy?
Well, a lot of it comes down to whale activity.
Whales, like the animals.
No, not exactly. In the crypto world, whales are individuals or entities holding a significant amount of a particular cryptocurrency.
Ah, I see. So they have a lot of power.
Exactly. When they make large transactions, it can create waves of volatility.
Okay, so why should you care about what the whales are doing?
That's a great question,
Yeah.
because understanding their movements can help you make smarter investment decisions.
So if I see a sudden surge in Shiba's price and it's linked to whale activity,
Proceed with caution. It might not be a sustainable trend.
got it. So it's important to distinguish between organic growth and hype-driven spikes.
Exactly.
Now, let's move beyond the meme coin frenzy and look at coins that are focused on building real-world utility.
Sounds good.
Like Cardano, for instance, has seen a significant increase in what's known as large holder net flows.
Right. So essentially that means that large holders, often referred to as whales, are accumulating Cardano's ADA tokens.
So they're buying up a lot of ADA.
Yes, and this could signal that they're confident in Cardano's long-term potential.
Okay, so they're putting their money where their mouth is.
In a sense, yes.
Cardano did hit multi-month highs recently,
True.
though it has experienced a minor correction since then.
Well, volatility is just part of the crypto landscape.
Yeah, that's true. What's encouraging, though, is that Cardano has a thriving ecosystem with numerous projects under development.
Absolutely.
So this focus on building utility could be a major factor driving investor confidence. Now, speaking of real-world applications, Filecoin is making waves in the decentralized storage space,
Oh, yeah, Filecoin.
a critical piece of the growing Web3 puzzle.
Right, and what's fascinating about Filecoin is its approach to decentralized storage.
Okay,
It's about empowering individuals to control their data free from centralized authorities.
that's interesting.
And with their recent network upgrade focusing on scalability and security, Filecoin is becoming an increasingly attractive option.
So that's a big deal, right?
Huge.
Especially with growing concerns about data privacy and security.
Absolutely.
Imagine storing your important files, photos, or even medical records on a decentralized network where you have full control and no fear of censorship.
I like the sound of that.
That's the kind of future Filecoin is building toward.
It's a glimpse into a more secure and transparent digital future.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
Okay, let's switch gears now and explore a couple of coins that are charting their own course.
Okay.
Starting with Uniswap, which surprisingly is in a bearish trend despite Bitcoin's rally.
That is unusual.
Right, so typically we'd expect to see altcoins like Uniswap follow Bitcoin's upward trend.
Right.
So this divergence suggests that other factors might be at play.
Maybe investors are taking profits after Bitcoin's recent gains.
Sure.
There are concerns about the increasingly competitive decentralized exchange landscape.
Now, you mentioned that some analysts believe UNI could rally by 45% and reach $12.
Yeah, some analysts are predicting that.
That sounds promising.
It does.
But isn't the current bearish trend a red flag?
It's something to consider.
So what would need to happen for it to reverse course?
Well, for one, UNI would need to hold its key support levels.
Okay.
If it drops below those levels, the bullish scenario might be off the table.
Got it. So it's a wait-and-see situation.
For now, yeah.
But the strong trading volume on Layer 2 networks is a positive signal, right?
That's all right.
Now, hold on. For those who might not be familiar,
Yeah.
what exactly are Layer 2 networks?
Great question. So Layer 2 networks are built on top of existing blockchains like Ethereum to enhance scalability and reduce transaction fees.
So they're like an extra layer of functionality.
Exactly.
Okay, cool. So the fact that UNI is seeing strong activity on these networks suggests growing adoption.
It does.
And that could bode well for its long-term growth.
That's a good sign.
So even amidst a bearish trend, there are glimmers of hope for UNI.
There are.
Finally, let's talk about Stellar. This one's making headlines with Franklin Templeton, using it to move a staggering $1.7 trillion in assets.
$1.7 trillion. Wow, that's a game changer.
I know, right? It's a testament to Stellar's growing credibility in the financial world.
Absolutely.
And the platform's cost-saving advantages and increasing institutional adoption are positioning it as a serious contender in the blockchain-based finance arena.
It's a force to be reckoned with.
And there are even whispers of a potential collaboration with SpaceX.
Oh, wow.
What could that look like?
Well, the details are still under wraps.
Yeah.
But the possibilities are intriguing.
Right. Imagine Stellar's technology facilitating transactions beyond Earth.
Supporting space exploration and commerce.
That's pretty wild.
It's a glimpse into a future where blockchain technology extends beyond our planet.
So this week in crypto was a whirlwind of activity.
It was.
Meme coins surged whales, made their presence known, and projects focused on utility and real-world applications continued to gain traction.
For sure.
It's clear that the crypto market is evolving rapidly.
At an incredible pace.
And it's not just about price fluctuation.
No, it's much bigger than that.
It's about innovation adoption and the potential to reshape the future of finance.
And that's the key takeaway for you as you navigate this ever-changing landscape. Remember to look beyond the hype, understand the underlying technology and trends, and consider the broader implications of this revolutionary technology.
Sounds like good advice.
What role will you play in shaping the future of finance?
That's the question.
Think about it.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive into the world of cryptocurrency.
My pleasure.
Until next time, stay informed and stay ahead of the curve.
And keep exploring the exciting world of crypto.
We'll see you next week.
See ya.